left side of your mat. We do the second round and we end on the right side of your mat. So let's start. Standing on the right side of your mat, feet should be together. Raise your hand up, your arms close to your ears, and then slowly tilt to your left. Come center, inhale. Tilt to your right. Come center, inhale. Now slowly raise your left leg up and then step out to your left side. Bend your knees and bend your elbows and then sit low as you can sit. Now straighten your hand and knees and put your right feet towards your right knee and left foot towards your left side of your mat, and then slowly drop your left hand down and right hand up in Trikonasana. Now those who can't able to do, they can touch your fingertip and then look at your hand. Slowly get your right hand down and try touching your head to your knees. If you are not able to touch your head to your knee, don't bend your knees. Keep your knee straight and look up. Now bend your left knees and drop your right knee to your mat. And slowly inhale and raise your hand up and stretch your body. Try to look at your thumb. As you exhale, get your hands down and let's sit on your left side. Try to lower your heel down to the floor if possible. If not possible, you can stay up on your toe. Keep your right knee straight while you are doing this pose, and then slowly stretch your hand forward and then drop your forehead on your mat. Now we are going to lift up and switch to the other side. So again, try and keep your left knee straight and sit down with your heel on the floor, and then stretch your body forward and then turn your body to your right side and drop your left knees to the floor and slowly inhale and raise your hand up and exhale and put your hands down. Now straighten your right leg and your left and try touching your head to your knees. Now slowly drop your right hand down and left hand up, coming back in the Trikonasana, and look at your left hand. Come back in standing and bend your knees and bend your elbows. Try to stretch your thighs muscles and then slowly straighten your knees. And now we will join our left side. So step out to your left side and slowly raise your hand up. Exhale, tilt to your right. Inhale, center. Exhale, tilt to your left. Inhale, center. Exhale, hands down. We will go left to right. Now inhale, raise your hand up. Exhale, tilt to your right. Inhale, come center. Exhale, tilt to your left. Inhale, center. Now raise your right leg up and step out. Sit and breathe. Now straighten your leg and straighten your hand and turn your right foot to your right side and left foot towards your left knees. Now drop down and look at your left hand in Trikonasana. Get your left hand down and as you exhale, try to touch your head to your right knee. Bend your right knee. Inhale. Raise your both hands up. Stretch your body. Exhale, hands down. Sit on your right side. Lower your heel down and then stretch your body forward. Switch your left. Again, try to lower your heel down and stretch your body. Turn your body. Inhale. Slowly raise your hand up. Look back. Exhale, coming down. Straighten both your knees. Drop your hands down and touch your forehead to your knees. Now slowly drop your left hand and raise your right hand up and try to look at your right hand. Come back into standing. Bend your elbows, bend your knees, sit low, keep your back straight, and then join your left leg to your right. Raise your hands up. Inhale. Tilt your left. Exhale. Come center. Inhale. Tilt your right. Exhale. Come center. Inhale. So that was one complete round of the Chandra Namaskar. We will do one more round slightly faster just for you Raise your hands up. Now exhale. Tilt your left. Inhale, come center. Tilt your right, exhale. Inhale, center. Now raise your left leg up. Sit down and straight your spine. Now raise your hand and then slowly go down in Trikonasana. Look at your right hand. Slowly drop your right hand and touch your forehead to your knees. Drop your right knees and bend your left knee. Slowly raise your hand up, inhale, exhale down, and then turn your body and slowly go forward. Now switch to your right side. Again, slowly go forward. Turn your body and then drop your left knees. Raise your hand up, inhale, exhale, hands down, straighten your knees, drop your hands down, touch your forehead. Now drop your right hand and raise your left hand up in Trikonasana. Come back. Again, bend your knees, bend your elbows. Join right to left. Raise your hand up. Now tilt to your right. Come center. Tilt to your left. Come center. Now again, hands down. Again, hands up. Inhale. Tilt to your right. Come center. Exhale, tilt to your left. Come center. Raise your right leg up. Now sit down. Elbow bend. Again, straighten your knees. Straighten your hand. Now go down in Trikonasana. Look at your left hand. Drop your left hand down. Drop your forehead to your knees and then bend your right knees. Raise your hand up and then slowly hands down. Come forward and then straight your body. Again, switch to your another side. Again, stretch your hands, stretch your body. Turn your body. Now raise your hand up. Inhale. Exhale, hand down. Straighten your knees. Now drop down. Then drop your left hand down, right hand up in Trikonasana. Again, come back in standing. Bend your knees, bend your elbows, and then join left to right. Again, raise your hand up. Tilt to your left. Come center. Tilt to your right. Come center. And then slowly hands down.
So this really helps you to stretch your sides out. At the end of it, if you feel like you need to relax, you can lie down on your mat. Just rest, relax and close your eyes. If you feel like the second round was too fast for you, then do the